Hey guys, it's John, ReelBlue Custom Rods, and welcome back to the channel. And today's video, I wanted to show you basically some rod repairing kit that you can kind of do it yourself if you wanted to try to fix your rod tip. And this is another great find from Amazon, and I really like this OJY rod tip replacement kit. Of course, it comes with instructions, has some tape, some sandpaper down here, a little UV light, if you will. It has some different size tips. Some of the tips may be a little bit bigger than what you might be wanting to use if you're using like an ultralight rod. These look mostly like they are good for medium size to large size tips. And then you have a little bit of thread, and then you have some 1-part resin. And basically all you have to do is, you know, if you have a broken tip, like it broke off at the blank or the tip just came off, you have that sandpaper to go ahead and just sand that down and make it nice and smooth for you. Once you have it smooth, you find the tip that you want. You use your glue stick. You add a little heat with a lighter. You rotate that tip of that glue stick on your tip top of your rod. You slide the tip top down over that, or you can just cut a piece of the glue stick off, stick it inside the tip top, hold the tip top, and then with your hand and just warm it with a lighter. That will also melt the glue, and then you slide it on to the rod blank. You get it aligned, and you just hold it there for a couple of seconds until it's nice and cool, and that tip is in place and won't move. Then what you can do is you can come in here, and this is a little bit of black thread that they provide. You can take some of that thread off. You could use a box, put your rod inside the box, take the thread, like cut a couple of notches in the box, let the rod sit in it, and then take this thread and wrap it up around the tip. That way it will help secure the tip top to the rod through the thread. And then you're going to add your 1-part UV resin. And then once you've added that UV resin, you want to just kind of rotate it on that box and turn on that light, turn it around and rotate it until it dries, which is going to probably take about a couple of minutes. If it still seems a little tacky, just take it outside into the sunshine and let it sit for about 6 minutes or so. But again, this is a very easy do-it-yourself kit for tip replacement. Hope this helps.